We've talked a little bit about the Azure Resource Manager, or ARM, templates in previous videos. But this is an objective that Microsoft would like you to have a little bit more information on, so let's dig in a little more. The Azure Resource Manager is the underlying platform that allows you to deploy, manage, and monitor your Azure resources. ARM is built for high availability as well as resiliency, where it distributes instances across regions to ensure continuous availability of control plane operations. And it supports the declarative model, where you define the desired state of your infrastructure and Azure handles the execution and orchestration through infrastructure as code. ARM templates are going to use what's called JSON files, or JSON, and that's going to be a programming file that describes your infrastructure. ARM templates are great because you can reuse them as often as you'd like, and you'll consistently get the same results. You can use parameters to make templates flexible, and that allows you to reuse them with different settings if you'd like, and configurations for various different types of deployments. It also supports orchestration. This is a template that defines the resources, their configurations, and their relationships. And ARM is going to orchestrate the deployment process to ensure resources are created and connected correctly and in the right order. We can go into Azure Resource Manager from the Azure portal. You can just type Resource Manager, or you can do a search for it. If I click on all resources, you can see all the different resources that I currently have in this particular tenant. But Resource Manager is not going to get us where we need to go. What I want to do is I want to deploy a custom template. This is a custom ARM template. And you can simply type in the search box, deploy a custom template, as I have done, and now I can select that particular icon. Now, I can choose the template source, I can use a quick start template, or I can specify the template. So I'll hit the drop down and look at all these different types of templates I can use that will automatically do exactly what I want it to do as often as I want it to. So I'm going to choose just randomly any one of these various different templates. And just to show you the JSON file that I talked about in the slides, I can click on Edit Template, and here you can see the file showing all the programming involved for creating this custom template if I'd like to edit it. The good news is you don't have to be a programmer if you just need to make a couple of different changes. I'm going to click Save. And scroll down and click Next. And here you can see it's going to create 7 resources with that particular template. And it shows you all the information about the template. Now, I haven't filled in all the different options, which is why it's showing us that there's a verification, such as the resource group and some other parts. But it gives you a good idea of how an ARM template is created. You create the custom deployment, you choose the template you want, you edit the JSON file if you need to, and then you can go ahead and use that same template over and over to create whatever resources you need.